Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 2. Today's topic is miscellaneous exercise. 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 24 by 7. So, for this type of question, student, first let sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta. Okay. So, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. And by triangle method, we can find the tan theta. So, it is theta A, B and C. It's 3. It's 5. By Pythagoras, it is 4. Okay. So, tan theta is equal to, it is 3 by 4. Okay. So, student, our question LHS changes to tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay. And now apply the formula. 2 tan inverse x. What is the formula? It is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay. So, student, apply here the formula. We will get tan inverse 2 into 3 by 4 and here 1 minus 9 by 16. Okay. And now solve it. Now student, simplify this. It is 3 by 2 and here 7 by 16. Okay. So, we will get tan inverse 24 by 7 RHS. Okay. So, hence proved. Take the next question, student. First two questions of this exercise are very easy and already I have taught about that type of question. Okay. Now, solve sin inverse 8 by 17 plus sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 77 by 36. So, for this type of question, student, first change sin into tan. Okay, it will be easy. So, let sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to alpha. Okay, so that sin alpha is equal to 8 by 17. And now by the triangle method, okay, we can find tan theta. It's alpha. Here it's 8 and it's 17. By Pythagoras, student, you will find it's 15. Okay, so tan alpha is equal to it's 8 by 15. Okay, and now for same for sin inverse 3 by 5, it is equal to beta and sin beta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, again by the triangle method, it's beta. We will get here 3, it's 5 and it's 4. Okay, so tan beta is 3 by 4. Now student, question becomes tan inverse 8 by 15 plus it's tan inverse 3 by 4 and apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We will get tan inverse 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4 and here 1 minus 8 by 15 into 3 by 4. Okay, and now simplify this. It's tan inverse. Take LCM, student. 32 plus 45, and here it's 60 minus 24, and here it is 60. Okay, by solving this you will get 77 by 36. Okay, it is right hand side, hence proof. Okay, the next question is cos inverse 12 by 13 plus sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to sin inverse 56 by 65. In this type of question, student, we change cos and sin in 10. It would be easier. Okay, so first let cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to alpha, and by triangle method you can apply the student by formula also. Okay, it is 12 and it's 13. By Pythagoras we will find it's 5. Okay, so cos inverse 12 by 13 would be equal to tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay, and same for next. Let sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to beta. So student, it's 3, it's 5 here, and by Pythagoras we will find it's 4. So tan sin inverse 3 by 5 would be equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay, now our question will convert into tan inverse 5 by 12 and plus it's tan inverse 3 by 4, and now apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The formula is tan inverse x plus y and 1 minus x into y. Here in place of x it is 5 by 12 and in place of y it is 3 by 4. And now solve it. You will get, students, tan inverse, take LCM, 48 is LCM here. Okay, and it's 20 plus 36, and in denominator 48 minus 15. Okay, and in it's 48. Now solve it. We will get tan inverse, it is 56 by 33. Okay, but student, in the question in the right hand side it is given in a sin inverse, so again we can change the tan inverse into the sin inverse. Okay, so students, here tan inverse 56 by 33, again by the triangle method, let it is equal to theta. Here student, it is 56, it's 33. Okay, so by applying Pythagoras, it's 56 square plus 33 square, and we will get 56 square, it is 3136, and 33 square it is 1089. So it is the square root of 65. Okay, and now find sin inverse. So from here sin theta will be 56 by 65. Okay student, so it is right hand side, hence proof. So for all this type of question, if sin and cos is given in the question, we can change into tan and then apply the formula of tan inverse. Okay, the next question is prove that tan inverse root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay student, so for this question I am starting from right hand side. Okay, so here student, let x is equal to tan square theta. Okay, so theta would be equal to tan inverse root x. Okay, now 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus, in place of x it is tan square theta. Okay, and here 1 plus tan square theta. It is the formula of cos 2 theta. Okay student, so cos will cancel and we will get only 2 theta. From here 2 will cancel and it's only theta, and theta is equal to tan inverse root x. So substitute the value of theta. It is tan inverse root x. Okay, hence proved. The next question, cot inverse. It's under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x, and in denominator under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2. So for this question student, first we rationalize it. Okay, so it is cot inverse, here under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x multiply by under root 1 plus sin x, and it's plus under root 1 minus sin x. Okay, and in denominator it is under root 1 plus sin x and minus under root 1 minus sin x and multiply by under root 1 plus sin x and plus under root 1 minus sin x. Okay, so it is cot inverse. Here it is student, square whole square of under root 1 plus sin x and plus 1 minus sin x. Okay, and if we expand it, we will, it is 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x whole square. Okay, and here it is 1 plus sin x. Okay, and minus 1 minus sin x. A plus b, a minus b, identity. In the next step, it's cot inverse. And now student, open the whole square. Okay, we will get 1 plus sin x and here plus 1 minus sin x and plus 2 under root 1 plus sin x and multiply 1 minus sin x. Okay, and in denominator it is 2 sin x. Okay student, in the next step, cot inverse, it is sin x will cancel 2 and here it's 2 1 minus sin square x and here it is 2 sin x. Okay, and now cot inverse. Now student, to take a common and it is 1 plus under root 1 minus sin square, it is cos square. Okay, so it is cos x and here it is 2 sin x. So 2 will cancel students, and again apply the formula. 1 plus cos x, it is 2 cos square x by 2 and sin x. formula of sin x in half angle, it's 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Okay, so 2 will cancel and 1 cos x by 2 will cancel, and we will get cot inverse it cot x by 2. Okay, cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2, and cot inverse cot x by 2 gives only x by 2. Okay students, and here it is given in the question that x belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, so it is x by 2 also is in the first quadrant. The next question is 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So for this question student, from LHS take 9 by 4 common. Okay, so it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. Okay, and now 9 by 4 write as it is. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, it becomes student cos inverse 1 by 3. It is one property, pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. That's why pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. So it is 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3 student. And now convert the cos inverse in a sin inverse. Again we can apply the triangle method. So cos inverse 1 by 3, take theta, and it is here 1 and it's 3. So it is 2 root 2. Okay student, and from cos inverse 1 by 3 would be equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. And now 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3 becomes 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Okay, and it is right hand side. Hence proved. The next question is solve the following equations. 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. To solve the equation student, we have to find the value of x. Okay, so first here I am applying the formula 2 tan inverse x. Okay, so it is tan inverse 2 cos x, and here 1 minus cos square x, and write it as it is. It's 2 cosec x. Now tan inverse will cancel student, and we will get only 2 cos x, and 1 minus cos square, it is sin square x, and from here it is 2 cosec x, it is 2 by sin x. Okay, now 2 will cancel and 1 sin x will also cancel, so we will get only cos x by sin x is equal to 1, or we can say that cot x is equal to 1. So x is equal to student cot inverse 1, and it is cot inverse cot pi by 4. Okay, so answer is x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, it is the answer.